Good morning, all of you. Today we are here to study our new topic, that is gerunds. We have already discussed here about the non-finite verbs. You all know that what are verbs? Verbs are the doing words. They are the action words which tell us what action is going on in a sentence. Today we are here to discuss with the gerunds. What are gerunds? Gerunds are also verb. They are also a verb. Verb with ing form. They are also the verb with ing form. Gerunds are non-finite verbs. We have already discussed in our previous classes about non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs are those verbs which do not change according to the sentence, do not change according to the tenses, and do not change according to the subject. Okay, gerunds are the verb with ing form, playing the role of a subject, an object, or a complement of the verb in a sentence. They are playing the role of a subject. They are playing the role of a complement. They are playing the role of an object in a verb of a sentence. In a verb of a sentence. In a verb of a sentence. As gerunds behave more like a noun. As gerunds behave more like a noun. They are called as verbal nouns. What are they called? They are called as verbal nouns. They are called as verbal nouns. Example: smoking is injurious to health. We have taken 3 examples here. Smoking is injurious to health. I avoid smoking. And the third example is the worst habit which affected the health is smoking. Both are all 3 are same. Smoking is injurious to health. I avoid smoking. And the third one is the worst habit which affect the health is the smoking. All three are based on a simple term, that is smoking. All 3 containing the verb smoking. Smoking here is represented as a subject. All 3 are what? Gerunds. Smoking. Verb plus ing form. Smoking. Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking is subject in the first sentence. Smoking is acting as an object in the second sentence, and smoking is acting as a complement in the third one. This is the difference. It is acting as a subject here, and it is acting as an object here, and it is acting as a complement here. Health is okay. Affect the health is smoking. Now we have to note it down. Note it down the differences and the main points of the gerund which we haven't discussed in the previous classes, which we haven't discussed in the non-finite form of verbs when we have read about them. Note: gerunds can take determiners as they behave like a noun. As they behave like a noun, as you know that noun consists with a means it can contain a determiner, it can contain article. Just like that, gerunds can also contain articles. The writing is completed. This is gerund. The writing verb plus ing form. This is what? This is a form of gerund. And here the is also used. The is what? The is a determiner. Gerunds can be modified as adjective. Gerunds can be modified as adjective. Means you can modify gerunds just like an adjective. Just like the beautiful dancing of the peacock. Enthralled the kids. Means they attracted the kids. The beautiful dancing of the speaker, the beautiful dancing of the peacock attract the kids. These words denote that gerunds can be modified as an adjective. Beautiful dancing, they can be modified by the adjective words. Now, gerunds can have their own objects as they function as verb. Gerunds can have their own object as they function as a verb. Painting nature is my favorite. Painting nature is my favorite hobby. Painting nature is. Here is here means it is acting. Gerunds are acting as an object and they can function as a verb. Okay. Now, gerund can be used after some verbs. Gerund can be used after some verbs where the infinites can't be used. Means gerund is a non-finite verb, and in some places if there is gerund, and gerund can be used as an infinitive 2 plus v1. Infinitive is what? 2 plus v1 form. And gerunds can be used after some verbs where the infinitives can be used. Infinitive can't be used. We can use gerund where infinitive can't be used. Just like Mehul recorded singing. Mehul recorded singing the national anthem. Mehul recorded to sing is not suitable. We can read it right here. Mehul recorded singing the national anthem. This is particularly correct form of writing and using the sentence. The last one is the noun and the pronoun should be in possessive case. Means the noun and the pronoun should be in possessive case before the gerunds. Means before the gerund, if we are using the gerunds in a sentence, and if noun and pronouns are present in that particular sentence, then that particular sentence should have what? Then that particular sentence should have the noun and pronoun in possessive case. It should be before the gerund when referring to the living thing, and it should be where it will be used if that noun and pronoun is referring to a living thing. You should keep in mind, if the noun and pronoun is referring to a living thing, then only it should be in the possessive case. Possessive case is what? Just like position, which shows position. This belongs to me, mine. These are the possessive words we use in our English grammar. Okay, just like I have taken here, my father came to know of my getting first rank in the recent days. My father came to know. If the noun and pronoun is what? Is in possessive case. Came to know of my getting first rank in the recent days. My getting. This is what we are saying. Possessive case. My getting. Father, living thing, and if there is a living thing, then the gerund should be in the possessive case, and before gerund there is use of possessive case. Before gerund we are using my is a possessive case. My, mine, these are possessive nouns, possessive words. Okay, these are we are dealing with the different uses of the gerunds, and you will make different sentences, and if you really go through those sentences, you will find that in many sentences gerunds are playing an important part, and these are the important important part in the grammar section. Okay, today we will do with this. Write it in the copy. Just try to do the exercises. We will discuss about the participles in the next video. Thank you.